Hey guys, Peter here from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines. I've just recently had a query about the tension discs not opening up when the foot lifts. Now I'm assuming that this person's using the knee lift when they pull their job out. So what we're going to do today is just show you how to turn that system on so that when you use your knee lift to pull your job out, the tension discs will open to make it easier to pull your top thread through. So what we need to do is we need to go into the settings. We'll unlock it first. Okay, then we'll go settings. Okay, then we got this clamp and tension settings button. So what we're going to do is go in there. Now it's not on the first page, it's on the second page. So we go up to this little arrow up here. Okay, and down here U031. It says thread tension release function switch when knee control foot lift. So if I'm knee lifting, then all I need to do is push this to the on position, save it. And then if we go back to our main screen, and I'll take you over to our tension discs now. And I'll zoom out a little bit. Well, actually, I'll go in so you can see the discs moving. And we'll go down. Okay, so when I knee lift now, you can see those tension discs opening and closing. So now it'll only stay open for a certain time. So if I'll hold the knee lift in, and you'll see them click back into place. I think it's around 8 to 10 seconds that it stays open for. There it goes. And that's as good as that. Now, when you use your foot pedal, they will automatically open and close anyway. So I hope this helps. Thanks.